Ramadan Mubarak, everyone. Welcome to the ultimate Ramadan food quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge of the delicious dishes and traditions that make Ramadan so special? Grab some dates and tea, sit back, and let's dive into this mouth-watering adventure together. Let's start easy. This fruit is known as the fruit of paradise and is the first thing Muslims break their fast with. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's dates, sweet, nutritious, and a staple on every iftar table. Next up, this hearty soup is a must-have in Moroccan iftars. Made with chickpeas, lentils, and tomatoes, it's called harira, a warm hug in a bowl to start your meal. Now let's spice things up. This triangular snack is crispy on the outside and packed with flavorful fillings like potatoes, meat, or veggies. It's famous in South Asia. What is it? Samosa, the ultimate crowd pleaser. Here's one for those with a sweet tooth. These sticky, syrupy treats are a favorite in the Middle East during Ramadan. Any guesses? It's baklava, layers of flaky pastry, nuts and honey. Yum! Now it's time for the real challenge. This luxurious dish is a star at iftar tables in the Gulf region. Made with spiced rice, tender meat, and sometimes saffron, it's called mandi, a feast fit for royalty. This traditional Yemeni bread pairs perfectly with soups and stews during iftar. It's soft, stretchy, and called malawa. Did you get it right? Last one, and it's tricky. This dessert from Pakistan is made with vermicelli, milk, and cardamom. It's a must-have on Eid, too. What is it? Sheer kurma, a sweet ending to any meal. How many did you get right? Share your scores in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the quiz gallery, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.